Good morning to one and all present here. I am Dr.M.Dinesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Computer Application, Manna Thirumalai College. Today we discuss about liquidation companies. First, liquidation meaning. Liquidation is a legal process of bringing a company to an end by the selling of its assets to pay creditors and the distributing the remaining funds to shareholders. It occurs when a company is insolvent or voluntarily declined to close down. Once liquidation is complete, the company is formally dissolved. The cases of exist. Next, liquidity meaning. Liquidity refers to the ability to business or individual to quickly convenient assets in cash without significant low cost of value. It reflects the ease with which an entity can meet in the short-term finance obligations. High liquidity indicates strong financial health, while low liquidity may seem potential payment difficult. Next, liquidator. Liquidator is an individual or firm appointed to oversee the wind-up process of company. Their role is to take control of the company assets, sell them, pay off liability in the correct order to priority, and distribute any surplus to the shareholder. The liquidator operates under the surplus of the creditors, ensuring legal company through the process. And liquidator remuneration. Liquidator remuneration is a fee paid to the liquidator for carrying out the duty of wind up the company. This may be fixed some basis of percentage of assets realized or distributed. The amount is approved by the tribunal in compulsory wind-up or the company creditor in voluntary wind-up. Types of liquidation. First one, compulsory wind-up by tribunal under Company Act 2013 Section 271. Initiated by the order of the National Company Law Tribunal. And the second one, ground include additional is inability to pay debit, special resolve the company, act against the sovereignty and integrity of India, fraudulent content, default of filling financial statement or annual return by 5 consecutive year, just an equitable ground. Second one is voluntary wind-up. Earlier under Section 304, now omitted post 2016 amendment. First one is provisionally initiated by company itself by a special resolution. Number 2, now handle and insolvency and bankrupt code 2016 for corporate person. Wind up under supervision in terminal. Earlier recognized under the Company Act 1956, not is the 2013 Act. Method of liquidation under IBC 2016. Liquidation initial when corporate insolvency resolution process fail. Committee of Credit Resolution of Liquidation. Resolution plan in not submitted of approved. Company contributions to team of the resolution plan. Consequence and liquidation. Power of Board of Director causes. Legal proceeding can only be initiated and continue with tribunal permissions. Company continue exist legal until in the dissolutions. Role of company secretaries in applicable. Assistance in preparation of necessary resolution and document. Coordination with creditors, shareholders and regulatory authorities. Company with filing and disclose requirement. Appointment of liquidation. Tribunal appoint a liquidator, official liquidator or insolvency professional. Duties include taking control of assets, evaluating liability, selling assets, setting claim, distribution surplus, order of payment, priority of claim, insolvency, resolved process cost and liquidation cost. Number 2, secured creditors. Number 3, wages and unpaid duty of employees. Number 4, financial debits owed to unsecured creditors. Next, due to government and remaining unsecured creditors. Any remaining debit and duties. Next, professional shareholders. Finally, equity shareholders. Dissolution of company. Once affair or for fully wind up, the liquidator applies in the tribunal for dissolution up on tribunal certification dissolution order in process and register strike of the name of company for the register of companies. And finally, liquidation financial statement of accounts. Receipts and payments, they will be follow as the liquidation financial statement accounts. First, we discuss about receipt realization side. First one, cash bank balance opening. Second one, realization from assets. Continue. Marketable security, bills receivable, trade debtors and loans and advance, stock in trade, work in progress, freehold priorities, and a land and building, plant and machinery, furniture, fixtures, vehicles, etc. And then investments, sundry debtors, calls in arrear receipt, interest, dividend, any income during the liquidation, and finally less than the payment of redemption securities, cost of excluding and payment as per trading account. Finally, total receipt balance. And payment side, payment distribution side. First one, legal charges. Second one, liquidator remuneration. Third one, other liability expenses. Fourth one, payment to redeem securities. Example, security debentures. Fifth one, preferential creditors. Example, wages, salaries, provident fund duties. Sixth one, unsecured creditors. Seventh one, return of capital to equity shareholders. Eighth one, surplus. Finally, total payment. These are all the liquidator's financial statement of accounting format. Thank you.